Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're on another great adventure here, and this time we're going to take the Spider on a coastal trip along the Big Bend here in Florida and up along the beaches in the Panhandle. We've never done that before, so we're looking forward to it, and hopefully you'll like these series of videos. See you soon.
I'm really looking forward to our first ride on the Can-Am.
As Sherry and I take off this morning, I have several things on my mind. Will we be able to find new things to see? Will we be able to record interesting places that the viewers will enjoy? And how will I handle the Spider? With a brand new machine, there's always a learning curve. I don't know the answers to these questions, but let's find out together. Initially, we will head north on I-75 until we're past the Tampa area. Our plan is to get to the west coast and follow the coast all the way to Alabama. To the best of my ability, I will include graphics with our route and locations in case you care to follow along with a map. One of the oft questions I get is, where are you? This may help others with trip planning as well. Gulf Key was settled in the latter half of the 19th century, and a post office was installed in 1883, which is originally named Argo. In 1885, the name was changed to Arapica, the name of a Seminole chief. Today, the town is a state historical site. Crossing this bridge puts us on Palm Island. What a beautiful spot, huh? Several people are taking advantage of the wonderful weather to get some leisurely fishing in. What a great time. Just beautiful here. Most of the roads in the Big Bend area are one-way in and out. I'm trying to pick a route that allows a through passage. This trip will be a mix of county roads and highways. I'm sorry, but no dirt roads on this trip because of the Spider. The Hernando Beach area is built up with about 1,000 homes. Without a doubt, this is a popular area for its easy access to the Gulf of Mexico. We go by a marina with hundreds of boats. Pretty cool area with some really lovely homes. Check out all the boats stacked up in this building. They get them up and down with a forklift. Pretty cool way to store smaller boats. Okay, this guy is totally easy rider. I get a kick out of that. What a beautiful bike, and it reminds me of the 70s when I grew up. Oh, here's his riding mama there. Next up is the full Harley dresser. They're born to ride. Look at them go. What fun. It's nice to see that we're not the only old-timers out here. 3 trikes go by us. There's one old-timer. Here's the second old-timer. And finally, the third old-timer. What fun they're having, though, doing the same thing that we're doing, taking a coastal ride. If you ever wondered where Santa Claus goes after Christmas, it's South Florida. Here's proof. And last but not least, the weekend warrior. Wikee Wachee Gardens is located on the Wikee Wachee River. This area is a tourist hotspot with kayaking and swimming. Even mermaids swim here. So be sure to take in the show if you have kids or grandkids. As we head north along US 19, wildflowers have been planted in the median. They're protected from the moors with signs. Really a pretty sight. Our last county road is through Hermosa Springs as we round the corner here to Fire Station Park. What a neat little area and drive as we head north toward Crystal River, our stopping point for the evening. We get settled in at the hotel, but we decide to take a little walk along some backwater and boat ramp on the Crystal River. What a great sunset we had here.
Beautiful out here. That's right across from our hotel.
It's only $5.
Reminds me of the days we lived on the lake. Beautiful out here.
Yeah. Oh, we're just leaving all this stuff in.
Looks like two trees grew up together. Very cool. Well, here's the end of our first day on the Can-Am. We had a great time. I love going on the back roads, and we just enjoyed all the small towns and the lake-like areas that we went through. Anyway, of course, looking forward to tomorrow. We're going from Crystal River to Perry, Florida.
Well, it's at the tail end of the day, and we're in Crystal River, Florida. What a great day we had. And I'll tell you, it was a little bit of a learning curve for me on riding that Spider. This is the first long trip we've taken on it so far, and it is not like riding a motorcycle at all. And so you have to kind of get used to it. And we went through some pretty areas down there. What was it? Hernando Beach area, I think it was. Really cool place to be. Tomorrow we're going to do some more back roads, and we'll see how that turns out for us. We'll see you tomorrow.